Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try out a new hairstyle that I actually have not tried out before, and it's going to be a perm rod set on blow dried hair. I have actually tried it on like freshly washed hair, and if you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I love the results so much. The only thing is that it was really shrunken. I kind of wanted to see if I can get some more volume and some more length, but still have the really nice curls that a perm rod set gives you. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Okay, so I did a lot of it actually off camera really quickly, and I did use just different sizes just because I wanted to kind of see what the curls look like. So I'm going to use like two different type of butters. I'm just actually trying to finish off my butters. So far I used some True by Me Beautiful butter, and it's almost done. And then the other one I'm going to use is the Curls Blueberry Twist and Shout Cream. So yeah, they're almost done, so I'm like, might as well finish it. I like them both. I love them both. So I'm going to take a small amount like this, not too much. I don't want to revert back, but I want to add in some moisture and some hold. And then I'm gonna go ahead and seal that in with Curls in a Bottle. And this is a styling solution. So it's kind of like a serum kind of thing with a little bit of hold and shine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use an orange one, and I'm gonna take it with the ends. And the ends are really crucial because if you don't wrap it around tight and smooth, then when you unravel it, it's gonna look really frizzy. So I roll it up a bit, make sure it's nice and tight. Then I take it and I twist it. And then you can keep twisting it, but I kind of just go all the way. And then when I get to the top, I just wrap it and click it in. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple of front pieces so you guys can maybe see a bit more clear. Make sure just to wrap it around first, and once it's secure, I roll it up a bit just to make sure it's tight in here. And then I wrap it. So you can keep going ahead and keep wrapping it, but I just find it's easier for me to just roll it all the way up. I do feel that you get more of a stretch if you keep twisting it, but I might try that for next time. But I just find it so much easier this way. And when I blow dried my hair, I actually did have some leave-in conditioner in my hair already, so that's why I'm not actually putting it in right now. I'm gonna try it out for the first time with just butter and a serum, just because I want to see if I can still get hold, but still just like moisture with no dryness. And then hopefully it makes my hair last longer, because I've tried it before with foaming mousse and it looks amazing, but it's just that my hair feels so dry and I just hate the way my hair feels. You guys also let me know in the comments what hairstyles do you guys want me to try out next. So this is what it looks like. I have a couple of small ones in the front, and then the medium ones, and then the bigger ones, just 6 of bigger ones in the back. So we're gonna see what this looks like, but wish me good luck. I really hope it turns out good, because I've been waiting to do this hairstyle for so long. Okay, so we are back, and this is the next day, so I really hope that it is fully dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out here. Ooh, this is a nice curl pattern. My hair is actually fully dry, very surprising. I can still feel the moisture in the product, which is good. I do feel like if you keep these in a bit longer, even if it's dried, I do feel like it can hold the curl a lot better. But to be honest, you guys, I just want them out of my head. I had the worst sleep with these on. It's really uncomfortable, you guys, very painful. But we'll see if it's worth it. I'm getting excited, you guys. I think this is turning out to look very pretty. And the shine. And this is what the smaller curls look like. Ooh, I like these curls better. I think next time I'm gonna use all the smaller ones. I like the way they look better. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so they're all out. I'm gonna quickly count them because I didn't really count them before, just in case you guys wanted to know. Wow, I didn't know I had 30 in my head. I felt like I had less for some reason. And it was so quick. I'm just gonna kind of take little pieces and wrap it on my fingers. Just kind of let it separate on its own. I'm excited to see what this turns out like. So I'm just gonna pull it down and just kind of like let it separate naturally, and then twirl it around my finger because I feel like it kind of keeps the frizz intact like that. It just kind of minimizes the frizz. So you get more like length in like the bigger ones because you get less definition. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like when it's basically mostly separated. I'm not gonna separate it too much, and I kind of picked it out just a bit, like not like too much, just because I don't want to ruin the curl pattern too much. But I do love it. What do you guys think? Let me know, honest opinion. I do like it, actually. I love it. And I feel like once my hair settles in more, it's gonna look better. The only thing is that I kind of wish I didn't use the bigger perm rods at the bottom, because the way my hair grows is that like the bottom part grows so much more faster than the top, and so it always looks so like top heavy up here. And then also like my diva cut kind of like was shaped inwards like this, where it's like out then in, and then plus this is just more like longer and it looks thinner, so it kind of outgrows everything so fast. And I do cut my bottom pieces a bit more than the top, just because I'm trying to get it all one length, but that's fine. Like I really love the way it looks, and basically all I did was just kind of back comb it like this, just a little bit, not too much. So the thing is, with my hair, it takes actually like a few hours to kind of settle in after I take it out of a protective style, so that like it gets bigger and then it kind of fills in, because I'm gonna show you guys what the back looks like. Like it is pretty like empty in the back, because my hair is very flat as soon as I take it out of protective style, but then it just kind of takes a while for it to just fill in. So I'm actually gonna show you guys what my hair looks like in a few hours, but I kind of just wanted to show you guys just like quickly now what it looks like. So yeah, so like it's not like the best looking in the front, but I know that most people, they do back comb it like that, where it's like they kind of take everything to the front like this, and then it does eventually fill out in the back. So I mean, I wish my hair was thicker, you guys. I really wish it was. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like in a few hours, but I really like it, and I think I'm gonna start doing more stretch styles because I just love the result.